Hello.
Hello.
Just recently I did a project where I had different composition sizes, something like that, like that, like that, and I want to show you how to resize compositions. Let's say that you have a composition like that, and you would like it to be smaller, for example, to about this size. One counterintuitive way of doing this would be going to composition, going to its composition settings, and here you have the width and height. But this only will make this smaller in width. Then in the height we can of course unlock the aspect ratio, and we can try to make it as big as we need. But the better way to do this, if you want to be precise in the size, yeah, pretty rhyme, you need to click on this button, which is region of interest. You can set the region of interest for this layer. Let's for example set like that. Then you can just take it, you can resize the regions of interest. Of course I should come closer and I should make this perfectly to the corners, but that's not important for this tutorial. If you want a composition to be of this size, you just now go to composition and you select crop comp to region of interest. The composition still is the entire big composition, but if we toggle the region of interest, we can simply composition and crop comp to region of interest. A really handy trick, because sometimes you really want those compositions to be smaller. Not for all products, but definitely sometimes something like that occurs. Okay, I hope this is a helpful tip to you, and this is something in After Effects useful to know about. See you in other tutorials like that, and keep learning After Effects.